Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. And this is a 2012 Toyota Sienna, and today we're gonna do cleaning the throttle body. So the throttle body is right here. So we need to take out this tube right here. So loosen this screw right here, this one, the clamp right here, and then removing this, and trying to put this on the top, release from that holder, and then that's it. You should be able to remove this piece to get to the throttle body, so we can clean it. So let's get started. Okay. So we got that off. Phillip. Let's do a Phillip right here. Loosen that up. Loosen this up. From losing up. Okay. Okay. Get that off on one side. Now get the other side off. Okay. Should do it. Tight space. There you go. Take that off. And now we got to the throttle body right there, as you can see. Doesn't look that bad, but I'll go ahead and get a towel and then try and clean off. Okay, why don't I just get this filter off too? So make life a little easy. Okay, just remove this filter right here off. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll take a soft Scott towel, the blue one. I'll go ahead and wet it a little bit. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry if my arm is in the way. Trying to open a hole like this and clean. Just clean the best you can. now as you can see, it's pretty much really clean. So I did a good wipe. Okay, so as you can see, it's really nice and clean on both sides. So I go ahead and slowly bring it back. Slowly bring it back. Maybe I still see a little bit right. There you go. Nice and clean. Okay. Now go ahead and close it up. You can see the auto body is nice and clean. As you can see, it looks extremely good. Okay. Now look nice and clean. Trying to clean the best I can. And did on both sides. Look nice and clean. Now I'll just go ahead and put everything back. And that should be it. So when you open the flapper, make sure you do it, the butterfly, make sure you do it slowly. Don't try to do it too fast. You might ruin the butterfly. So that's it. And now all you need to do is trying to wipe this a little bit as much as you can. Since you're taking this out, go ahead and wipe everything down. Before you put it back. Nice and neat. Everything. Make sure you check there's no crack here. Might get to air leak. So make sure everything is nice and clean. All right. Does that look good? Nice and clean. Now I'll go ahead and put everything back the way it is. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.